The TRX Jump Squat is a powerful plyometric movement using the TRX suspension, trainer to build lower body strength, explosiveness, and stability while reducing joint stress compared to free jump squats. How to do a TRX Jump Squat. 1. Setup. Adjust TRX straps to mid-length. Stand facing the anchor point, feet shoulder width apart. Hold the handles with a light grip, elbows bent about 90 degrees, and lean back slightly so the straps support you. 2. Squat phase. Lower into a squat by bending your hips and knees, chest lifted, back straight. Keep weight in your heels, but allow TRX to help you balance. 3. Jump phase. Drive explosively through your heels and extend your legs upward. Jump off the ground while using the straps for balance, not pulling yourself up. 4. Landing. Land softly on the balls of your feet, then roll back into heels. Absorb the landing by bending your knees and hips immediately into the next squat. 5. Repeat. Perform controlled continuous reps for 8 to 15 jumps. Muscles worked in TRX Jump Squat. The exercise targets both lower body, strength muscles, and explosive power muscles. Primary muscles: quadriceps, front thighs, drive the squat and push off. Gluteus maximus, hip extension power for jumping. Hamstrings, assist with hip extension and landing control. Calves, gastrocnemius and soleus, help push off the ground during jump. Secondary muscles: core, rectus abdominis, obliques. Transverse abdominis, stabilize torso during squat and landing. Erector spinae, support upright posture. Hip adductors and abductors, stabilize legs during landing and prevent knee collapse. Forearms and grip, lightly engage to hold the TRX handles. Benefits: builds explosiveness and power in the lower body. Improves balance and coordination due to TRX instability. Reduces stress on knees compared to regular jump squats, since TRX supports part of your body weight. Excellent for athletic conditioning and fat-burning circuits. Please check my next video. Thanks for watching.